You bring the sunshine. I can feel it, that you are the one, oh baby, be mine. I can feel it.
Welcome to Tokyo. Pagpasok po namin, meron kaming dining area. Tapos may room here. And then here, one toilet, laundry area, tapos bath lang. Isang room ulit. Tapos, ito pa yung isang room. Master's bedroom. Tapos, meron kaming toilet here. Scan the barcode. Kaya feeling ko, yeah, it's done. Ito na guys, lalakad na kami. Hingalay. Ang hirap. Guys, finally, after 400 steps, there. And there's the pagoda. Pagoda na rin kami. My gosh. That's the tour dito, pagoda. And this tree is ilang years old? Guys, para naman maging informative yung vlog. Ilang years? Basahin mo. Ano? Okay. Giant Osuji.
1,000 years old.
No. Guys, we're now here at Lake Kawaguchi and Oishi Park. So right now we're here at the Old Village and we have the view of Mount Fuji. Looky! We paid 300 yen for this spot. Ayan. Hi guys, let us now feed the duckies. Hi guys! So, I forgot to update you na kasi super nagmamadali din kami na nasa outlet na. Anyway, super pagod for today. And right now, hassle na iwan ko pa yung camera ko sa van. So, hindi ko yung driver. And tomorrow, I don't know what's our plan. I think mag-Disney Sea ata kami. Pero wala pa kami nabubuka ticket. So, yun ang gagawin namin later. Magbubuka kami ng ticket. So, yeah. Super lamig ngayon guys. It's super lamig! Again for dinner. Hi guys, so right now, we're on our way to Disney Sea. Actually, we're starting like very late. It's like around 10:30 na. So ngayon nandito kami sa Tokyo Station. So ginagawa namin guys, we're staying around Kumagome Station and then which is JY Line, and then from JY Line baba kami ng Tokyo Station. From Tokyo Station transfer kami ng KU Line to Maihama Station now, which is yung last station para mapunta kami ng Disney. So ayun guys, I'll update you guys later kung anong mangyayari, but I'm so excited. Super lamig ngayon guys, kaya ngayon tinan mo naka-scarf pa ako. So yeah, see you guys later. Guys, we're having lunch here at Portofino Cafe. Sa entrance lang to ng Disney Sea. Going there! First ride! Look! Nice! Woo! Ano? I'm nervous. Mommy!
安全のため写真の撮影ご遠慮ください。
Takot naman ako. Oh no! Guys, yan, doon kami galing sa pinakataas and then mag-open siya, tapos makikita mo yung view doon sa gitna. If you were to ask me kung sasakay pa ulit ako doon, guys, I feel like okay na sa akin yung isang sakay kasi hindi naman talaga ako pala sakay sa mga ganung bagay. Okay na siya for experience. So yun, all in all, masaya naman siya. Di ba, Mommy? Ayoko na kayong kasakay, please. Cute! Normal popcorn. Ito lang talaga yung pinayaran mo. I paid 2,800 yen for this. Okay lang, masaya naman ako. Ice cream in this very cold weather. Ay, pa...
Matulin nga na ito, hindi natin kakayanin pala.
Very nice. Cute guys. Guys, right now we're here at Sanrio store and super cute. Ang daming mga cute dito. Tignan nyo. Bought one of this. Dadamitan si Hello Kitty. And then ito yung pinili kong clothes. Ang cute. They're serious din sila. After long walking, dito kami mag-end up. Wala kasi mahanap na kainan here sa Umitasando. Parang ang hirap. So nakita namin to. Dapat dito kami kakain. Pero ayan, may ramen place. So dito kami kakain. Guys, ang laki ng bowl ng ramen. You have chicken, chashu, cheese, and egg. Guys, right now we're here at Kidiland. And look who I found! Monchichi! So cute! Hindi tayo tawa ka pa ng tawa. Ayan. May pahadi. Hello, so today is our last night in Tokyo. And nag-iimpaka na kami ng mga gamit namin. And if you guys can notice, iba yung ating, what do you call that, the quality of the video kasi I use my camera and yung phone. And then this, I bought a new cam, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Ayan!